What's going on YouTube? I'm back at again with another video, and today's video is I got a new splitter for the M135i, so I'm just going to move the car back and we're going to fit that splitter today. Let me just let you guys hear the start up. Woo. Mad blood. Just gonna move the car back a little bit so I have space to work on it. That should be enough. So yeah, the splitter's going on the car today, guys. When I tell you it looks sick, it looks sick. I went for the Maxton design V3. So yeah, man. I know it posted in a while, but I was waiting for the part, and the part's here now. So the second mod of the M135i is going to be the splitter. It has to be done. Come on, man. Let's get into the video. Subscribe if you want to see more lit content about. Right, just an update. Getting this bump off's been a nightmare. Oh my god, there's so many screws. But we're here now, we've got it off. About to take it off. Literally all these screws is literally just from here. I had to take out the arch liner. There's like two bolts up there, like facing this way. It's hard to get to. There's loads of bolts underneath, loads of bolts on the top, and the same thing with this side, but it's ready to come off now. Let's get it off. Let's get it off. All of that just for this thing to come off. If you guys can see that. That looks sick. The reason it's got the protective film on it, so all these little scratches that you see is not going to be on there. But that's looks like a to drill the holes. My screw gun ran out of charge, so I got the trusty drill. Plug it in, drill it up, and yeah, man. But let's just line it up real quick so I want it. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just making sure that the splitter and the bumper's lined up properly, so that when I drill the holes in, it's fully lined up. Right, just done the first two holes, so I can line them up. One there, and one down there. So right now I'm going to take off the plastic film and put it on. Right now I'm taking off the protective film of the splitter. And now I've already drilled the hole to put the first nut and bolt in to make sure that the splitter is fully lined up. So I'm going to put a nut and bolt in that side and also the other side to make sure it's fully lined up before I drill all the other holes. So that's what I'm doing right now. I've got the first two bolts on. It's held in how it's meant to be. Now I'm going to get a load more bolts in. And yeah, that's how it's looking. Right, so guys, this is what I've done with this really thin area. I drilled it at an angle, so these are going in at an angle. So I actually have screws in them. And I'm just doing the last few screws now. You're gonna see what it's like when I'm done. I'm just trying to get it done quickly before it gets dark in it, so it might not be as much footage. I'm now done, all the screws are now in. It's time to put the bumper back on. All I'm doing right now is I'm about to put the front bumper back on, and there's a lot of bolts and wheel liners and everything that has to go back in. It was quite a long job because how many things had to come off and how many bolts had to come off So right now, finally, I'm putting the front bumper back on. What's going on YouTube? Like 2 days later, yesterday I finished work. It was dark, I couldn't film it, it got dark. The video is probably going to be not the best video because of how dark it got quick. So I just stopped filming and tried to get it done because there's so many bolts and stuff. But here's what the splitter looks like, guys.
Get that bag, get bro.
Wow, yo, it looks sick. Let me show you guys. Man, look at that. Yo, looks mad, I'm not even gonna lie. Obviously the wheels are a bit dirty right now because it's been raining for the past few days, but man, it's coming along bit by bit. Just needs the side skirts now. Look at that. Yo, guys are sick, man. Jeez. And you already know the thing that I always do. I always rev my thing, man. Always got to give it a rev. One thing that I noticed that I done was though, I drilled through this bit. I shouldn't have done that bit there because it's on show. So I might even take this screw out here and try and put it behind this. I didn't think of that. But to get this out, there's so many screws up here. Like there's one, you can see up there. There's one screw there and then there's one up there as well to take the bumper off. So it's an awkward angle because the screws are facing this way. This has to come out as well. The wheel liner has to come out with so many bolts. It took so long, man. It took so long, but just letting you know, man, it looks sick. What I'm gonna do next to match the interior, these bars are going red. I'm probably gonna buy this spray paint right now, to be honest. And those bars are going red to sort of match with the interior. But yeah, guys, tell me what you think. Do you think I went for the right splitter? I think it's the Maxton Design V3. Yo, it looks sick now. All the car needs, it needs the side skirts. It needs a spoiler and the rear spats, and also the diffuser at the back. The diffuser at the back would just finish it off, man. Diffuser, spoiler, side skirts, and different wheels. It's gonna be mad, but I'm telling you that splitter made a difference on the front though. Not gonna lie, it actually looks pretty sick. And yeah, guys, as you can see, I don't know if I'm gonna hit 1,000 subs yet. No, I mean 900 subs yet, but I appreciate you for subscribing. If you're watching, subscribe and get me to 1,000 subs. And yeah, man, look, the car looks sick, bruv. Come on. I'm sure you want to see how this build's gonna end. The first mod already sets it off. Look how sick that looks now. It's adding a bit of style to it. I ain't gonna put a sunroof on this one, the windscreen's already small. But the roof, that's going gloss black. Mate, even wheels, man. I don't know what sort of colour wheels I'm thinking to go for, but not yet though, not yet, because I'm gonna go stage 2 first. I'm gonna do the power first, and after that. And also, guys, don't slate me in the comment if the filming before was shit, because I didn't know it was so much work that needs to go into it to flip and do the split in the Corsa. Just whack off some screws and it's gone. But this car, mate, bare screws, man, loads of screws, and so much stuff has to come off. The under tray and, well, the under tray don't have to come off, you just have to unscrew all the bolts from underneath. But we done it in the end, guys. We done it in the end. I wanted to film the full process, but it's hard to film and do it at the same time when you don't have a filmer, and like the camera just gets in the way and things just get in the way. But the next videos I'll film it better. But as you can see, the car's coming along well. Even though it's the first mod, I think it makes a massive difference. Comment down below what you think, and make sure you subscribe, man, and get me to 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to be taking this stage 2 for now. Obviously I need to get the mods and all that, stage 2 mods, and you're going to come along with me to get the car louder, more pop. Come on, you're going to louder pops than that, blood. And if it goes well, if the channel grows, I might even take hybrid turbo with the car, stuff like that. So just subscribe in it if you want to see this guy go to levels, because everyone always goes stage 2. I'll go the extra mile, bro. I'll go the extra mile. Flipping go stage 3. Hybrid turbo. Try go for like 500-600 brake. It's gonna be a beast. Like right now, yeah, I'm used to the power now, and this car is a top end car, 100%. But I could see why they mapped it like that from factory to have a linear torque curve, because the back wheels would just spin. But I want a more of aggressive map. I like it to just hit you in the back. I don't want to wait till like 4, 5, 6k revs I start feeling it flying in 3rd gear. I like it just I'd rather it to spin and go like, you know what I mean? But I got to show you guys again, man. I got to show you guys again. Look at it with the splitter, man. The thing's coming along. It's coming along nicely, man. Imagine it with the side skirts, spoiler. I don't know what spoiler I want to go for though, because there's so many options. So I don't know what spoiler I want to go for yet. I might put some pictures up of some that I want to go for, and comment down below what you think. And what do you think of the ride height? Obviously it's been lowered. I spoke to the previous owner. Shout out to you if you're watching, my bro. Well, he found me anyways, which what a coincidence. He found me and he told me some more shit about the car. It's got adaptive suspension, which I don't know, and I feel the difference when I put it in comfort. When I put it in comfort, it's a bit more soft, and then when I put it in sport, it's a bit more stiff. And the car has been lowered on. I forgot what springs they are, but like I go over speed bumps fine. This does not hit on speed bumps whatsoever, which is really good. My Corsa was hitting everywhere. Look, my flipping steel toe cap boots from work fits underneath there, so the gap, it's a good gap. The gap at the front is calm. It's just a back gap. So it's kind of but I'm gonna get 19-inch wheels anyway, which should fill it out a bit. But yeah, man, it might not be the most entertaining video, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and support the thing, as I always say. Comment down below what you think I should do next. Side skirts, spoiler extension, rear spats, diffuser. Just comment down below, man, and follow the journey of the build, man. It's gonna turn out lit, man. It's gonna turn out lit. It already looks sick, especially with that splitter, man. Damn. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And then we finish the video on a note. I gotta finish the video like this, man. I gotta finish it like this. Come on. You already know man's gotta finish it like that, bro. Yo, thing's lit. The back end needs a bit of spicing up. It looks a bit bland. Rear diffuser, spoiler, gloss black roof. Come on. You know it's gonna be sick, man. I'm actually gassed and excited to see what it's gonna look like. But yeah, man, bless up.